I've put Canva's newest AI tools to the test, and in today's video, I'll be revealing the absolute best ones. Stay tuned to discover the game changers that will elevate your design experience. Let's get started. This is what you are going to see in this video. The last one is a surprise. First, let's see text-to-image generators. Go to Canva and use the whiteboard design. Find the apps on the left, then look for Mojo AI. Add your text. I'm using the prompt, a cat playing basketball. You can use a file. Generate the image. It looks realistic and high quality. You can also make QR codes with art. Now, try Magic Media with the same prompt. Generate the image. I give it an 8, but I prefer the first one. Search for DALL-E and use the same prompt. Generate the image. I don't like it as much, but it's still close to reality. Now let's get some AI presenters to do the job for us. Search for Nero. Open it. Then choose your preferred avatar. I am going to choose this one. Then write the text. I am going to change just the name. Then click Generate and let the magic happen. Here is the result after changing the background and downloading the video.
Hi, my name is Adam, and I am your virtual presenter.
Now let's see the Enhancer tool. Search for Enhancer tool. Here it is. Click on it. Choose your file. Select Enhance the face. Finally, click on Enhance the image and wait. This is the final result. You may not notice the difference because the image is already with good quality, but this tool is absolutely great. As a university student, the last AI app for this video is absolutely amazing. Jobs and Resume AI. This is my resume. I'm gonna copy it. Head over to Apps and search for Jobs and Resume AI. Once you find it, click on it. Paste your resume text and then specify the job you want to apply for. In my case, it's a digital marketing manager position. Click on Generate and patiently wait for the magic to happen. Initially, the tool provides a suggested summary for your entire resume. Next, it suggests skills, helping you identify areas for improvement to land the job. It's truly amazing. Following that, it delves into your experience. And finally, it even generates a cover letter that you can send directly to the hiring manager of the company. Can you imagine all of that in just one click? As the video nears its end, I just want to express my gratitude, guys. Thanks for the support. We're close to reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I'm excited to hit that milestone. See you in the next video. Write down in the comment what do you want to see in the next video.